BraillePen 12. Adding contacts in iDevices. We're going to add a contact on the iPhone using BraillePen 12. This works the same way on all iDevices. Before adding a contact, you must move to the Contacts app and press joystick Enter to go into the main contact screen. VoiceOver will say All Contacts. Press joystick right once to move to the Add button. Press joystick Enter to open the new contact form. Press joystick right to move to the first name field. VoiceOver will say First. Press joystick Enter to begin entering the first name. Type the word Tom with .6 T-O-M. Press joystick down to move to the last field for your contact's last name. Press joystick Enter to begin adding text. Type the word Smith with .6 S-M-I-T-H. The next field is Company. You can leave it blank or enter data here the same way as for first and last. Using joystick right, move to the Mobile field. Press joystick Enter to see what other labels are available for other kinds of phone numbers. Use joystick right to move through the list of available labels and press joystick Enter to select. If there are a lot of items on the list, you can jump to the bottom of the screen with space plus dots 4, 5, 6. If the label we want isn't on the list, we can add a new label. The last item on this page is Add Custom Label. If you don't want to change the label, use space plus dots 1, 2, 3 to move to the Cancel button and press joystick Enter to return to the contact form. You may have to move down to the mobile phone text field using joystick right and then pressing joystick Enter. Remember to begin with the number sign, dots 3, 4, 5, 6, and to type the numbers immediately. If you pause, the iPhone treats the pause as a space, and you must enter the number sign again before you enter more digits. At each pause, the numbers typed so far are shown and spoken, and a space inserted. Use joystick right to move off the completed phone number to the next phone number field. You can add several phone numbers, and when you leave one phone number blank, you will move to the email details. As with the phone number labels, you can change the email address labels also, as well as add a custom label to the list. Type in the email address using .4 for the @ sign and dots 256 for the dot. Pause after entering the @ sign or the dot to let the Braille translation catch up. The Ringtone field lets you have different ringtones for different contacts. Navigate through the list and choose, just as for email and phone labels. You now have all the techniques you need to add a new contact. Save the contact by moving to the top with space plus dots 1, 2, 3 and pressing joystick right twice. When you hear Done, press joystick Enter to save the contact. Your cursor will be on the Edit button in case you want to make changes. Return to the main contacts list by pressing space and dots 1, 2, 3. And that's how to add a contact on the iPhone, iPod Touch and iPad using BraillePen 12.